Hello guys and welcome back to the brand new Jojo Tech Experience channel. Today we are looking at the Logitech MX220 wireless keyboard and mouse. As you can probably see, there is really nothing special about this product's packaging, and this is not surprising as this wireless keyboard and mouse kit costs about only $30. It does feature a standard cardboard box with illustrations of the product and a nice overall background color. At the back of the box we have some product specifications and on the sides some more illustrations. It is now time to open the box and take a look inside. The keyboard has a simple minimalistic design and it is mostly made out of plastic. There are no multimedia dedicated keys and there are no LEDs present whatsoever. The keyboard runs on a standard battery included in the package and there is no on-off button. The keys do provide some feedback when pressed, and the layout does feel good to type on. However, due to the thin plastic construction, this keyboard feels a bit flimsy and it easily bends even when typing on it. The back of the keyboard is, well, simple. We only have a few rubber feet in order to prevent the keyboard from sliding on shiny or slippery surfaces. The mouse is where this kit actually shines. It has a nice ergonomic shape, it feels very comfortable to the use. Also, the build quality is impressive at this price point. The scroll wheel is solid and works perfectly. The mouse fits very well in the palm of your hand. And it is easy to use even if you do prefer the majestic Falcon claw grip. To the back of the mouse you can see the optical sensor and you have access to the standard batteries that are included in the package. The mouse was the most pleasant surprise in the Logitech MX220 kit. The wireless USB dongle is rather big, but it is well built. The kit worked flawlessly at a distance of 5 meters during my tests. The Logitech MX220 keyboard and mouse is all over a great choice if you just want to sit back and relax on your couch while surfing the internet or changing your favorite show episodes. It even works on your smart TV. I hope you have enjoyed this short review of the Logitech MX220 keyboard and mouse, and if you did, please leave a comment below with your remarks on this product and click the subscribe button for more awesome tech videos on Jojo's Tech Experience channel.